Hey, it's Shelly with Best Buy. I've been taking a look at the Insignia 8000 BTU window air conditioner. It's designed to cool a room of approximately 350 square feet. One look at this air conditioner and you will immediately understand that air conditioners, or at least window air conditioners, are nothing like they used to be. And the reason for that is that this Insignia 8000 BTU air conditioner has a sturdy stand that holds it all on its own, so you don't have to rely on your window. And it also has a U shape that keeps the condenser outside, so none of the heat that is released from the air conditioner as it pulls the hot air out of your home is released back into your house. It's released outside. This window air conditioner is approximately 53 pounds, so you will need someone to help you lift it, or you could have two people help you install. It comes with everything that is included here. You'll see here, that's the stand. So that stand will mount to your window frame. You just have to measure it so that you're confirming where is the center location of the stand, and you place it in your window frame, and when you do, it will completely hold your air conditioner. And that is a real switch from older air conditioners, older style air conditioners that were mounted on your window frame and they were screwed down, but they were held down by your window frame. So now you don't have to do that, and you can actually use your window as normal if you'd like to open it when you're not using your air conditioner. I was so impressed with the stand because it has a really solid design, and you can tell that it will not move, especially when it's screwed down. So the instructions will guide you through the entire install process, and Insignia actually has a really great video with step-by-step instructions for installing this air conditioner, and it's really useful to watch something like that if you're a visual learner and the manual leaves you with questions. You'll have to install the included screws and adjust these brackets so that it fits your window specifically. And there's also foam and foam blocks included. And that's also something that's completely different, because normally it's just a strip of foam that you add, but the foam blocks will block either end of your window so that bugs can't come through, or any heat that would be released from the air conditioner can't come back into your house. The design of this air conditioner actually reminds me of a mini split panel. So if you've ever seen a mini split, you'll see that they have panels that they mount on your wall or ceiling, and that's where the cool air or the heat comes from. Well, this style reminds me a lot of that. So the fan is on the front of the appliance, and the window slides down and keeps the motor completely outside. Here's a look at my husband measuring for the foam blocks. So there are several foam blocks included, and you cut them to fit. And when you cut them and you place them in your windowsill, you'll release a bracket on the inside of the appliance and push it down, and that's what holds the blocks in place. There are several foam blocks included, as well as smaller foam blocks and the extra padding, so you can customize it completely for your window and make it fit perfectly. Here's a look at the center of the appliance. So you can see that bracket that you will push down and will hold your foam blocks. And you'll also have to install a few screws in there to hold the air conditioner in place on your windowsill. In my case, like, I didn't think that the screws even added that much considering how sturdy the stand is, but you do need to install the screws. Once we added a protective layer of foam tape to the actual windowsill, we just slid it down, put one more bracket in place, and then it was ready to go. From the moment I turned the Insignia 8000 BTU air conditioner on, I was totally impressed. I like the LED screen. I love how all of the buttons are available on the front of the air conditioner, and the vent will just glide open and closed whenever you're using it. There are quite a few different modes on this air conditioner, and there's some actually that I had never used in an air conditioner before. One of the best ones, I feel, is the iSense button. So if you tap the iSense button, then you can set the air conditioner for how cool you'd like it to be in the room, and it will turn off and on depending on the temperature in the room. So it will sense the temperature in the room. It actually reminds me a lot of a furnace, because that's basically how it works. There is an echo mode that will turn the fan on after the compressor runs for a while, so you can have the echo mode turn on and just blow cool air until it gets too warm in the room. You can also set it for sleep, so it will allow the temperature in the room to elevate slightly while you're sleeping for 7 hours, and then it will resume normal functions. There's 3 speeds, low, medium, and high, and there's also a fan and a dry mode. So the dry mode is actually handy on really rainy days when you don't really want cool air, but you want to remove some of the damp air from your home, and you can do that with this. It works as a dehumidifier. As for maintenance, the only thing that you'll really need to do is clean the filters. So you can set the swing button, you can press and hold the swing button for 3 seconds, and it will give you an alert when it's time to clean the filters. So then you just take the filter out and wash it, and then put it back in, and you're good to go again. It runs very quietly too. It's actually only 42 decibels, which is the equivalent of the inside of a quiet library. And that's actually 9 times quieter than most standard air conditioners. Take a listen and see if you can hear it. The birds and the outside noise are actually louder than this air conditioner. I think there are 2 main factors that make the Insignia 8000 BTU window air conditioner a total standout. Number one is the design. I absolutely love having the control panel and the fans inside while the compressor condenser is outside. That will save you a lot on your energy bill because it will not release heat into your home. And the second thing that I think is pretty amazing is the stand, so that you can mount it and you know it's secure, and but you can still open your window if you need to. That's it for my look at the Insignia 8000 BTU window air conditioner. You can get ready to beat the summer heat by finding your own at Best Buy. And you can see the rest of my review at Best Buy's blog. Thanks for watching.